What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday over here. Currently, Bitcoin is approaching 27.4K, struggling to get back above 28K. Very important level, as I've been talking about. It could bring down quite a bit of these altcoins if it continues pulling back. However, if Bitcoin is able to reclaim this 28K area, it's going to be looking a lot better for the altcoins, at least in the short term. Okay, so very important to be paying attention to the Bitcoin chart right now. Do refer back to my first post today to see what I said about the Bitcoin charts. It's very important. I cannot stress enough, okay? But for time's sake, I'm not going to dig into Bitcoin on this post. The main topic about this post is going to be about Mina protocol token. See what has gone on in this market since the last time we have talked about it. Is it going to break its all-time low? And is there more pain coming for Mina protocol token? Going to be taking a look into some upside as well as some downside price targets for this coin, as well as some key price levels to be paying attention to in order for this coin to go either direction. I'm going to be giving you guys my overall sentiment and opinions on this overall crypto markets later in this video, so make sure to be staying around for that. Of course, none of what I'm saying here is financial advice. It's purely my personal opinions and speculations. I could very well be wrong. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I an elite trader of any sorts, even though I'm a profitable trader who's been able to keep most of my profits during the last bear markets. But I'm looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys are feeling the same way, if you guys are feeling pumped, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. All right, so like I said, we're going to skip the Bitcoin chart for this post. Please do look into my first post today about what I said about Bitcoin, the details, because it could be on the verge of a pullback again. In that case, it could pull back quite a bit of these altcoins down with it, as we have seen today. And many other days before, when Bitcoin pulls back, we're going to see quite a bit of these altcoins in the red, okay? Now, let's take a look into Mina, see what has gone on in this market. Last time, I did mention that this market did break out of a falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame, okay? Measure move from that breakout of that falling wedge pattern, which could be measured from the opening of the pattern, and then you putting it on top of the actual or expected breakout date, okay? Whatever is appropriate at the time, okay? That will give you a measure target of about $1.16 area, okay? Price action did break out. It went nowhere near that, okay? Went up to about 52 cents, okay, before getting rejected. That's why I say take these measure targets with a grain of salt, and familiarize these trading concepts on your own as well. Okay, falling wedges, measure targets, measure moves. These are just some of the trading concepts you guys should know if you guys want to learn technical analysis, which is very important to be surviving in this market in the long run. Okay. Now, price action went up as far as about 52 cents area, came down here to even about 35 cents, which is lower than the previous low from within the pattern, okay? That was a possible double bottom scenario. Right now, I mean, I would still consider this double bottom scenario to be active, okay? But it is very close to be breaking even its previous all-time lows here, okay, at about that 35 cents area. If it breaks 35 cents, in my opinion, this double bottom is invalidated, and I would say this falling wedge breakout would be invalidated as well. So 35 cents, in my opinion, is going to be the breaking point for Mina, and I will have to invalidate what we're looking at here for both the falling wedge and the double bottom scenario, okay? Especially if you are breaking that bullish divergence on this RSI as well. That's basically where you're getting a lower or equal low on the price action chart, and you're getting an equal or higher low on the RSI. Okay, so let me illustrate here. Okay, we had bullish divergence, which is usually a bullish signal that tells me that the bears are actually exhausted. Okay, however, so we had a lower low here, right? And then we're getting a higher low, slightly higher, equal or higher low on the RSI. That is usually bullish divergence. If the RSI here starts making lower lows on the RSI, that is usually a bad sign for the bulls. Okay, that's what I'm paying attention to here. 35 cents is still the breaking point, in my opinion, for Mina here, to break quite a bit of these bullish signals, which includes the falling wedge breakout, the double bottom scenario here, and as well as the bullish divergence on the RSI. That is to be seen. Okay, but two big signals here on the price action chart: falling wedge, double bottom, and I'm looking for a lower low on the RSI if it starts breaking 35 cents. I am considering shorting this market as well, Mina, if it starts breaking 35 cents. That is just me, not financial advice, especially it's risky, right? Especially if you guys don't know the entry, the exits, and as well as adjusting your exits while you guys are in the position. Okay, so that is just what I'm doing, not financial advice, right? So that is basically what I'm considering with this chart here. Let's take a look into some key resistances for this price action to break in order to break back into the upside. Okay, let's come down here to the daily time frame. The daily 21 SMA and the daily 50 SMA are at about that 38 cents area. Okay, that is going to be your key resistance, immediate resistance here. Daily 200 SMA is going to be about that 50-cent area, coming down to that area here. You're going to have your 3-day 21 SMA about the 39 cent area, the blue line. 3-day 50 SMA about 45 cent area, I would say, for even sake. 3-day 200 SMA is going to be about your 83 cents area, the orange line here. And you guys can repeat the same exercise for the weekly and the monthly time frame to find some key resistances with major moving averages. You guys can also refer back to previous trading history for key supports and resistances as well in whatever time frames you guys are interested in. I just consider the major time frames here. Let's come to support. Okay. So basically support, what you're looking at here, the key support here is going to be about that 35 cents area, which is basically your previous all-time lows here. If that does not hold, okay, I can't really give you an estimate right now. I mean, you probably get some bounces along the way at like even values, such as 30 cents, 25 cents, right? Some of those even values where short sellers are likely to take profits, right? That's what I'm estimating. But if it does break 35 cents, I will come back here to recharge this price action and see what's going on. If enough of you guys want to see Mina, I'll come back and do another update. So like, subscribe, and comment, letting me know that you guys do want to see more of Mina. That's basically what I'm looking at for Mina right now. My overall sentiment on this crypto market as a whole is still overall bullish. Okay, I am still long on quite a bit of spot altcoins, but I am looking to get into leverage longs and shorts. I do have some leverage longs as well right now for bounces. But I am looking into getting into leverage both long and shorts depending on their setups, right? So that is my short-term plan right now. You guys let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. What are you guys doing? Are you guys holding? Are you guys trading, right? So that's basically what I'm doing as a short-term trader's perspective. That's it for this post. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.